First, access the 360 Proxy login page and input your email and password to successfully log in. Upon successful login, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Once inside, click on the Unlimited Residential Proxies button on the left or the Use Now button within the Unlimited Residential Proxy package to directly enter the proxy settings page. On the username, password page, you will be randomly assigned a proxy location. Simultaneously, your personal host IP and port will be automatically generated. In the session type, you can choose Sticky IP and Rotating IP. When you select Sticky IP, you can set the usage time of the IP, ranging from 1 to 120 minutes. When you select a Rotating IP, an IP will be randomly switched every time the website is requested. After the IP time is used up, the IP will be randomly switched. Finally, here you can select the format and quantity of proxies, and click Generate to output the proxy list. Next, directly copy the generated proxies into any application or tool, or generate a TXT or CSV file that can be imported into other tools. Let me demonstrate the configuration process using an anti-detection browser as an example. Navigate to the proxy configuration page, select Custom for the proxy method, and choose HTTP as the proxy type. Then, paste the proxy IP you just extracted from 360 Proxy here. The hostname, port, and the following account and password will be automatically filled in. Click Check Proxy, and if the connection test is successful, click OK to start using this unlimited residential proxy IP normally.